So I begin with the topic second year resident teaching. Shall I start? By resident or faculty, I have been given no financial disclosures here. So I have been asked to talk on surgical teaching by a faculty member. Now before I start my talk, when I was a resident and when I used to see my teachers perform surgery, it was very easy looking from outside, very nicely stitching and all those suture. But when I took for the first time, it was very difficult just to hold the needle holder and very difficult. And I used just to entangle those sutures there. So it should be graded by the, taught by the faculty, because he has more experience and he can guide the resident in a way. So this is when I was looking for prepare my topic, I got this by Fitz for the motor skill acquisition. So here, first cognition, he should know what he has to do, what technique he has to do. Then integration, how he has to do that. And then automation, after doing few things, that it should come into flow. Then he doesn't have to see now that he has to do this technique, this procedure after this. Just like in FECO, just by doing, he can just remember how, just he can guess at the sound of the FECO machine, whether a block is there or not, and how much he has to press the foot pedal. So that's automation. And now to develop surgical sketch, it has been already discussed. We can do on models like goat eye model and other, then on live animals, but now this is not permitted. Cadaver eyes, now simulators. Now this virtual reality. Here we can do, and then finally it should come to the human, and that should come first through the faculty member, and then he knows the details here. Now why faculty member has, I prefer because he has more experience, he has seen more problems, and he can solve it easily than a senior resident or a fellow. And he can just tackle the problem easily. He has managed more patient in that, and he has also learned, faculty has more interaction with other ophthalmologists, national and international forums. So he can just impart that knowledge to his residents, where fellows have not that much. So that was my short talk. I think within time.
Absolutely. Thank you, Dr. Bhaskar. Faculty can be trusted to be on time at least.
Yeah.